So guys, next open any browsers to Google search box to type Lenovo ThinkPad L16 driver download. So first link, which is, you can see this is pc.support.lenovo.com. Okay, just right click to new tab. Okay, then go to this URL. So if you don't know about and if it will show two different laptops, so you can enter your serial number, laptop serial number. You can click here, this is search. After that you can see this is your system. Okay, so you can see same format. So first automatic update and second manual. So automatic, you just click to scan. Scan required driver to install within a 5 to 10 minutes, and this is separate. You can install the separate driver and like that, facing some issues for the troubleshooting purpose, like guide you. And just then guys, Bluetooth. So this is a different version of Bluetooth BE200 and XX211. So guys, install this latest one. You can see this is Feb 25. Okay, click to download. Just click to setup. Then yes. Next. I accept. Then next. Select the install. Then next and install. You can see this is installed. Okay, successfully. Then okay, and then finish it. So guys, if you are facing E200 Bluetooth driver, so try to install this one. Okay, thank you.